My 6-year-old is sick with a cough, so I told him gargling with warm salt water can help. He looked at me and said, I'm not going all the way to the ocean right now. I don't care if you're British, just don't do it in front of me. We are entering another golden era for dudes who look a little funky. If you're a white guy who looks a little weird with it, it's your time to shine. Me in the 9th grade listening to Kid Cudi after smoking weed out of a Pepsi can. Just spent 13 days looking for my iPad. LMFAO! The fact that he tattooed this on the wrong arm and now Mario has 2 right hands. Before I had kids, I knew exactly how I would raise them. This morning, I bribed them to get out of bed with peanut butter marshmallow sandwiches. Childless me didn't have a clue.